Happy new month, traders. Another new month is upon us, and we look towards fresh setups. Last week, the NZDJPY and the gold went right as planned. The NZDJPY actually broke the descending triangle support, and the gold has currently also broken the bullish flags resistance. For that matter, NZDUSD also never really moved at all, in my opinion. So for that matter, the NZDUSD and the gold makes it into this week. The gold makes it into this week because last week's forecast was just a heads up. It wasn't actually a trade idea. And something rather interesting has also happened on the NZDUSD. That's why it also makes it into this week. The AUDUSD is the only new pair that will be added to this week's forecast. So getting on to analyzing these pairs already, I start with the AUDUSD. The market found resistance in late April, fell, and retraced a bit, only to find another resistance at 0.70680 and fell again. For this week's trading idea, the turning point starts from this level to this level, and it looks very good on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to pull down to the 4-hour time frame and look at what is really happening. The market structure presently has presented us with a wedge-like structure that is falling. Here is the wedge's resistance, which has about 1, 2, 3 touches, and then the support of the wedge, which has only 2 clear touches. The pip range for last week was about 40 pips. So for last week, it is safe to say that the AUDUSD never moved at all. So for that matter, I'll be looking forward to playing the high of the previous week of the AUDUSD. So I'll place my first resistance line here, and from the daily time frame, this level has been classified as support already. So I'll be looking forward to play the weekly high on the AUDUSD. If this level right here is broken, which is the medium term resistance, it's at a price of 0.69428. If it's broken, I'll be a bull on the AUDUSD. Currently, the wedge's resistance has been massacred. But then, if the AUDUSD fails to break above this level, I'll still remain a bear, or better still, I'll remain neutral the AUDUSD until further notice. So we are done for the AUDUSD. And for the NZDUSD and the gold, these ones are follow-up setups from last week. So the analysis on it is still intact. But even as the AUDUSD correlates with the NZDUSD, I'll pull down to the 4-hour time frame and try to play the weekly high on the NZDUSD as well. So I'll be looking forward to buy the NZDUSD if it's able to break above this medium term resistance level. And something interesting has also happened. If you look at it from the daily time frame, there has been a retest of this very resistance as new support. This resistance is that of the down channel is that of the down channel's resistance. So that's it for the NZDUSD. And for the gold, it has secured a comfortable close above the bullish flag as of now. Now this market structure has been confirmed as a bullish flag. But then there is one roadblock. The price is too high to buy. So I'll be looking forward to a minor pullback before I consider a long position. The pullback may never come. So fast forward, let's get on to the economic movers of this very week. June 3rd to June 7th is actually packed. It's a holiday in New Zealand on Monday, and there is news from China, Europe, US, and Great Britain. So Monday will be a volatile day for all pairs that involve currencies from China, Europe, England, and America. Tuesday is a volatile day for the Australian dollar as well. And there is news from Great Britain again, Euro, and America. On Wednesday, there's AUDUSD, and there is another one from Great Britain, and there's a pre-NFP for the USD, and the normal crude oil inventories. And on Thursday is actually a day for the euro, and then there will be a movement for the Canadian dollar as well. On Friday, it's a holiday in China, and there is the almighty NFP this Friday, and employment news also from Canada. So those are the economic movers for the coming week. I would actually be cautious with my trades this week, because fundamental analysis is very capable of destroying good technical analysis. I wish you a profitable month and a profitable week. See you next week.